Hey, how's it going? If you're watching this video, it's because you are a business owner that is looking to attract more customers online, right? Now, my name is Daniel, and I'm here with Smart Local Connect in our third video of our series of 5, where we're talking about the 5 biggest mistakes that usually business owners make when they are trying to attract customers online. So today, video number 3 is mistake number 3. What is the mistake number 3? The mistake number 3 is going to be not to have accurate citations, not having accurate citations. So what do I mean with a citation? What is a citation anyway? So a citation is going to be a mention of your business name or your phone number or your address in different websites. Let's say, as an example, if you have a Facebook page, that's a different website, and you have your business name, your address, your phone number, and probably that's accurate. But there are going to be many other websites around that you probably didn't do a purpose. You didn't, and there are certain mistakes around. Like mistakes with your phone now, with your phone number, because you changed the phone number, you didn't go to that website to change it, or mistakes with your address. And when there are many different inaccuracies of your citations, of the mentions of your website, of your business, Google is going to see that as a fake site or probably as an inaccurate site. So of course, it's not gonna rank you that high. So Google looks for your citations in different websites and directories. It's gonna look for those citations to determine the authenticity and authority of your business. All right. And of course, if Google says, okay, this one has not has many citations that are not really accurate, it's going to put you down. So it's very, very important for you to make sure that you have those citations, those mentions in many other different places, accurate and all pointing to your business. Matt Katz from Google, which is an engineer, a senior engineer, he mentions that over 70% of business have inaccurate citations all over the internet. So it's something to think about if you want to make sure that everything around your business is done properly. Find help. Find somebody who knows about citations. Find somebody who can do that right. And you have all these informations and different other websites pointing directly to your business. That was mistake number 3, not to have an accurate citations. This is Daniel once again with Smart Local Connect. If you have any questions, anything, please comment. Don't forget to share, like, comment. And of course, I'm here again I'll be back again with mistake number 4 next week probably. Have a good one, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.